So this is question from GATE 2019 electronics. It was of 2 marks. So this is the circuit given. This is R. This is the R network. So this is a delta network of resistance R, and a star network of capacitor is inside this delta network of resistance. This voltage is 2 sin 1000 t. So we have to find the value of this current I of t. We have to find the value of this steady state current I of t. So first what we do is we convert this inner capacitor network which is in star to delta. So if we convert this star network to delta, then what will happen is that the individual capacitor will be appear in parallel across the resistor. So it will be, when we convert it into delta, then what will happen is that this capacitor will appear in parallel across this R. So it will be like this, and its value will be of j omega c by 3, and this will also be j omega c by 3. So this will be the circuit. This is the redrawn circuit. This is V of t. So this so in parallel with the resistor we have a capacitor of j omega c by 3. So Z equivalent, if we have to find the Z equivalent of all of these, so then it will be same. The Z, I am trying to find the equivalent impedance, Z equivalent of, so it will be same. So Z equivalent will be equal to R in parallel with 1 upon j omega c by 3. So it will be equal to R into 1 upon j omega c by 3 upon R plus 1 upon j omega c by 3. So this will be equal to so when we take the LCM, then j omega, then we get R upon j omega R c by 3 plus 1. So again we will take the LCM. So j omega RC plus 3 into 3R. So the Z equivalent is equal to 3R j omega RC plus 3. So we can replace it by a Z equivalent. For all of these, Z equivalent will be same. This is the equivalent impedance Z equivalent, same Z equivalent and Z equivalent, and value of Z equivalent is 3R upon 3R j omega c plus 1, 3R upon 3R j omega c plus 1. Sorry, 3 plus j omega RC, 3 plus j omega RC. So if we calculate from omega, the value of omega here is 1000, the value of omega is 1000. So omega into R into C, omega value of omega is 1000 because it is 2 sin 1000 t. So value of omega is 1000. Value of R is 1 kilo ohm, so again 1000. And value of C is 1 microfarad, so 10 to power minus 6. So value of omega RC is equal to 1. Value of omega RC is equal to 1. So it will be reduced to 3 plus j. 3r upon 3 plus j, because it was j omega rc. So on omega into r into c is equal to 1. So z equivalent is equal to 3 plus 3r upon 3 plus j. So this will be I1 and this will be I2. Sorry, this is I, this is current I. So current I is getting divided into two currents, I1 and I2. Now this Z equivalent and this Z equivalent are in series, so they will be equal to 2 Z equivalent. So I am drawing, so Z equivalent and Z equivalent in series will be equal to 2 into Z equivalent. So 2 into Z equivalent. So the value of current I1 is equal to 2 sine, this voltage is 2 sine 1000 t. So 2 sine 1000 t upon 3r upon 3 plus j. So I1 will be equal to 2 sine 1000 t into 3 plus j upon 3r. This will be the value of I1, and I2 will be equal to, I2 is flowing through the same voltage but Z equivalent is 2. So I2 will be equal to 2 sine 1000 t upon 2 into Z equivalent. So it will be 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So this will be equal to 3r upon 3 plus j. So 3r upon 3 plus j. These are the values of I1 and I2. So I1, these are the values of I1 and I2. So value of current I is equal to I1 plus I2. Current I is equal to I1 plus I2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Because I is getting divided into I1 and I2. So now we can find I by adding I1 and I2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. So the value of I1 is 2 sine 1000 t into 3 plus j upon 3r, and value of I2 is sine 1000 t into 3 plus j upon r upon 3r. So 2 sine 1000 t 3 plus j and sine 1000 t 3 plus j will get add up. So it will be equal to 3 sine 1000 t 3 plus j upon 3r. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So this is value of current I. So R is 1000, 1 kilo ohm or 1000. So if we divide it by 1000, then this current will be in milliampere. So this we can change the units to milliampere, because R value of R is 1000. So I will be equal to 3 sine 1000 t plus j sine 1000 t, and it is in milliampere. So plus j sine 1000 t and 3 sine 1000 t. So j sine 1000 t. So angle for j is 90 degree. So we can also write it as 3 sine 1000 t plus sine 1000 t plus 90 degree, because angle for j is 90 degree and its magnitude is 1. So sine 90 plus theta, this is sine 90 degree plus theta. Sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. So we can just replace sine with cos, because sine 90 plus theta is cos theta, and remove this 90. So the value of current I is equal to 3 sine 1000 t plus cos 1000 t. So this was very easy question, just we have to solve by converting this inner star network to the delta network, then R and the individual capacitor will appear in parallel. So this was very easy question, no calculator was required in this question. No calculator was required in this question because the values were such that they were automatically get simplified. So no calculator is required. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt then you can comment in the comment box. Thank you.